For this section, we're going to be looking at rounding to one significant figure and then later to two significant figures. Firstly, we have to understand what a significant figure is. If we take a look at question A, the first significant figure is my first important number, which is my number 6. So I want to round it to my first significant figure. My deciding number is my 7. The 7 is greater than 5, so that tells me that I must round the 6 up to a 7. However, this was 6,789, so I need to put zeros in to give the place value. So 6,789.036 becomes 7,000 to one significant figure. Do not forget to put the level of accuracy in to one significant figure. In the second one, now first we have to identify which is the first significant figure. It's not the zeros. The first significant figure is the 7. The deciding number is the 8. The 8 tells us to round the 7 up, so it becomes 0.008. Now, because it's rounded to one significant figure, I have to put the level of accuracy. In the last one, the first significant figure is the 6. The 9 is the deciding number. That tells me to round the 6 up, so that becomes 0.07 to one significant figure. Have a go at these examples. Now I want you to round to one significant figure, but then have a go at rounding to two significant figures, and then we'll go through them in just a few seconds. Okay, if we take a look at the first one, the first significant figure is going to be my 3. My deciding number is going to be my 4. The 4 tells me to keep the 3 the same because it's less than 5, so I got 3, 0 to one significant figure. To two significant figures, my 4 is my second significant figure. The 5 is my deciding number. That tells me to round the 4 up, so this becomes 35 to two significant figures. In the next example, 7 is my first significant figure. 6 is my deciding number. The 6 tells me to round the 7 up. That becomes 8, and I've got to have my zeros to keep the place value. That becomes 8,000 to one significant figure. If I'm going to round to two significant figures, my second significant figure, my second important number is the 6. The 4 is my deciding number. That tells me to keep the 6 the same, so I have 7, 6. I need the zeros for my placeholder, and then I need my level of accuracy to two significant figures. In the last example, the 4 is my first significant figure. The 6 is my deciding number. The 6 tells me to round the 4 up, so that becomes 0.005 to one significant figure. To two significant figures, I have to take a look at my 6th. That is my second important number. The 1 tells me to leave the 6 the same, so that becomes 0.0046, and the level of accuracy to two significant figures.